The project name is Water Tank Management System. In this, a tank, overhead tank and a sump is used to demonstrate the project. This is the overhead tank and this is the sump, well, bore well or something. Arduino microcontroller is used to detect the logic and control the pump. This is the pump which is controlled using this relay through Arduino microcontroller. This is an ultrasonic sensor. It measures the distance between the tank and the water, the top surface of the tank and water. As the water is increasing, the distance between the water and the sensor reduces. This is how it detects the rise and lowering of the water. Initially, we have to connect this battery to this relay. We are using two batteries to operate this circuit. The another battery is to be connected for this. The pipe is to be just inserted. Do not insert too much inside. Just take the pipe and simply insert a little bit into the tank. And the water tank, the pump should be, this side should be down in the water, because this is the side which takes the water. So this should always be facing downward. So you have to face it like this. It should be facing downward. Fill this container with water. This container should be larger than this tank. Now let us connect the battery and see the operation. Now you can observe that the tank is empty and this tank is full. Now we will connect the battery and we will check the operation. Now you can observe that the pump is pumping water and the water is falling inside this tank. Okay, as soon as the water comes to some level, now you can observe the water level there. It's slowly increasing and this water is reducing. Now water is stopped. Now the tank is full. By removing it, by pulling it upward and downward, we can control the tank fill quantity. Be careful that this sensor should not get wet. Water should not fall on this. Using a simple syringe, you can remove the water from that. Initially, you have to show like this. Keep this tank empty, keep this tank full, and connect the battery to Arduino. And this will show the entire operation. Once it is full, you immediately remove the battery. This is the complete operation of water tank management system.